China, an ancient, mysterious, and beautiful land, is always appealing to adventurous foreign visitors. As the third largest country in the world, occupying an area of 9,600,000 square kilometers, it spans 62 degrees of longitude and 49 degrees of latitude. A wide variety of terrain and climate shape its numerous natural attractions. Abundant in a variety of resources, plants, animals, and minerals, the land has nurtured countless generations of Chinese people. One of China's greatest treasures is her long, rich history. As early as 1.7 million years ago, the earliest humans evolved on this land. The first dynasty, the Xia dynasty, dates to about the 21st century BC. For 4,000 years, feudalism was the dominant economic and cultural model. Then, in 1911, the revolution led by Sun Yat-sen brought the monarchy to an end. On October 1, 1949, PRC was founded, fully named the People's Republic of China. Since then, this country has developed independently and vigorously. Most recently, reform and opening up policy has energized life in this country. China is proud of her many people, long history, resplendent culture, and distinctive customs. Among her greatest gifts to the world are the four great inventions: paper, gunpowder, printing, and the compass. Chinese arts and crafts, including painting, calligraphy, operas, embroidery, and silks, are distinctive and unique. Kung Fu, which have only recently begun to enjoy popularity in other parts of the world, have been part of Chinese culture for centuries, and Chinese literature testifies to the country's rich heritage. And of course, there is Chinese food, which has been exported to every corner of the globe.